Amaphoyisa atheleke kulomuzi oseMariannhill eyintathakusa namhlanje.
This morning at approximately 3 o'clock they operationalized that information and they approached this house, knocked on the door and requested the occupants to open up for them. Unfortunately, the occupants chose to shoot at them through the windows. Fortunately, none of our police officers were injured or killed.
Izinga lobugebengu liphezulu kule ndawo.
People being robbed on the streets, people being held up at their homes, and they noticed that in this house there were strange movements, people going and coming, odd hours, unknown people that they don't know. So police, they passed that information on to police.
Isigameko silandele ezinye zokudubulana kwamaphoyisa neinsolo e-Thekwini. Amaphoyisa asexwayise ngomkhuba wezigebengu wokuqasha imizi emalokishini ukuze zicashe kuyo.
So we find that there's a trend here and in other suburbs in KZN where people hire their houses out to criminals. We saw that in KwaMashu where cash and transit robbers were housed in a house in KwaMashu.
Kusenjalo komsomluko amaphoyisa alandela umkhondo ngomunye wabasolwa owaphunyuka khathi edubulana nezigebengu eNtuzuma ngesonto ledlule. Kulesigameko washo warrant officer Sithembiso Mazibuko ubesebenzela uphiko lwe-NIU.
Yes, that operation was carried out by the Hawks and the National Intervention Unit. They had information that some of the suspects that escaped that initial shooting were back in the area and in Nanda specifically, and that intelligence was also operationalized, and when they approached the house they also came under fire. Fortunately nobody was, I'm told that nobody was injured there also, and the suspect was fatally wounded and a firearm was recovered in his possession.
uMazibuko ubekwe endlini yakhe yokugcina kwaMashu ngesonto.